Hey guys, and welcome back to week 2 of school lunches. This week we are going to make it simple and easy. Now starting out with Monday, we have our saying of the day, and we're going to start out with broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, tomato, and peppers. I have some Greek yogurt with some strawberries dip for the vegetables. I also have mandarin oranges and apples, and then I have this cheese with crackers. Allison is getting the same exact thing, and I included a small spoon so they can take the cheese and put it onto their crackers. Okay guys, this was highly requested. You did want to see what they ate. So here is Sophia. She did a pretty good job. She said that she loves this cheese on the crackers, and she did not eat any of her fruit. Well, this fruit. She had a couple strawberries. She's just kind of feeling out the time because it does take her a little while to eat. She's a very slow eater, and they only have about 25 minutes to eat. And then here is Allison. She did a really good job on her food. For Tuesday's lunch, we are doing breakfast. I have some sausage links with some pancakes. I also have some syrup and some granola. I also packed some blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, and cut up some cherries. And then to go with all of that, I have yogurt with chia seeds on top. And of course, her joke of the day. Allison, of course, is getting the same exact thing. The only different thing I have here is an Arizona sparkling water. Okay guys, here is what Sophia ate. She did really well. She just didn't eat her sausage links. Okay guys, and here is what Allison ate. She did not have any of her yogurt, but she did a pretty good job on the rest. Hey guys, and happy Wednesday. Here are the girls' lunches. We are first going to start out with some hot dogs cut up, Baby Bell cheese, some ketchup for their hot dog. I also have some Fig Newton cookies, some cheddar rice, and some green beans. And Allison is getting the same exact thing. Okay guys, here is what Sophia ate. She didn't even touch her cookies, which I'm surprised. She barely ate one. Nothing, she didn't like the hot dog. And she barely ate her rice. And then Allison did not eat her vegetables. I knew she wouldn't eat the hot dog. She told me yesterday that she is going vegetarian. We will see about that. Okay guys, here are the girls' lunches for Thursday. We have a hard-boiled egg, some chocolate-covered yogurt pretzels, some vegetables here. We have broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. We also have some fruit, which is blackberries and raspberries. And for the main course, we have ravioli with tomato sauce and cheese. And for the vegetables, we have some ranch dressing. Okay guys, here is Sophia's lunch. She did not eat anything because I took her some Subway, and she had a half of a sub and some chips and a cookie. So I did not have her eat any of this because, like I said, I took her to lunch. Okay guys, here is Allison's lunch, and she pretty much ate everything. She did a very good job today. Hey guys, today is Pick and Pack Friday, where Allison gets to pick and pack her own lunch as well as Sophia. Sophia is getting school lunch. They have this new pizza pocket type thing that she wants to give a try. So that's what she is going to be eating. And Allison is going to have an Arizona sparkling water. She loves these things. I also have some sweet and salty popcorn, some sunflower seeds, a hard-boiled egg, and some peanut butter sandwich. It's one peanut butter sandwich cut into 4 pieces. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. I hope you enjoyed these lunch videos. I made them pretty simple this week for you guys, and this is probably going to be the norm, but I do love every now and then to make themed lunches as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that way every time I have a video loaded, you guys can go and watch it right away. Bye guys.